Hey loves, for today's video I wanted to do a vlog slash day in my life slash a productive day. I have quite a few things that I want to do today and just things that I need to do and I'm even gonna make a list so that I can check things off as I go. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. Also, look at my lashes, y'all. They look so long. It makes it look like I'm wearing fake lashes, but I'm not. It's just mascara. I'm matching with my mask. Literally same. Also, I wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. It's just this little tank top, little crop top that I cropped myself. These high-waisted jeans from Hollister, ripped jeans, my favorite. And of course, my white beat-up Air Force Ones, like always. And then my hair is down, I have my hoops in, my Fitbit, and the bracelet that I always wear. I think this outfit is super, super cute. So. So far this is what I have to do today. I was doing work and then my little sister brought me these that my dad got me. Delicious. So I just did some notes for AP statistics, but I didn't record myself because the notes were on my phone and I used my phone to record. But yeah, those are the notes. Very nice. So I know you guys already saw my nails. They're just pink and purple, but This one only has one coat and this one has two, so I will be painting them, finishing them off. I'm using these two nail polishes right here, which are so pretty. So my hand looks so dark. Everything has been checked off. So these are the finished nails. They're so pretty and long. And yes, these are my natural nails, in case you guys are wondering. But anyways, this concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, loves.